Hey riders, welcome back. Today I've got something really exciting for you. We're diving into the 20 coolest e-bike and bike accessories on Amazon, all under $50. If you're looking to upgrade your cycling experience without breaking the bank, stick around, because I've handpicked some of the best and most practical gear you can grab right now in 2025. All right, let's jump in. First up on our list is the Park Tool CG 2.4 Chain Gang Cleaning System. A must-have for anyone who actually rides. If your drivetrain's filthy, even the best upgrades won't last long. This tool clamps right onto your chain and lets you scrub, rinse, and clean without removing the chain. It's fast, mess-free, and surprisingly effective. Good chains mean smoother shifts, better efficiency, and fewer repairs down the line, all without needing to take your whole setup apart. Next up, we've got a bike phone mount. Whether you're navigating with GPS or just want to keep your phone handy, this sturdy mount keeps it secure even on bumpy trails. I love that it's shock-proof and rotatable, so you can adjust it to any angle. For long-distance riders, hydration is key. This insulated water bottle holder is a game changer. It keeps your drinks cool, fits most bikes, and installs in seconds. It's one of those accessories you don't realize you need until you have it. Safety first. The Hestia adjustable bike mirrors give you a full 360-degree view so you can easily see traffic and other riders behind you without turning your head. They're quick to install, lightweight, and flexible. Perfect for city riding or e-bikes where you're mixing with traffic. At this price, there's no reason to skip on visibility. Next up is the Apessa Bike Storage Bag. A versatile little pack that attaches directly under your seat. It's waterproof, compact, and perfect for essentials like a multi-tool, spare tube, or keys. If you don't want bulky panniers but still need reliable storage, this one fits the bill. Sleek design, functional, and easy to remove when you're off the bike. Phones are lifelines on rides, especially for navigation. The Nitri upgraded bike phone holder keeps your device locked tight even on rough roads. With its anti-shake design and quick mount system, you can ride worry-free while following maps or tracking your stats. Plus, it rotates, so switching between portrait and landscape is effortless. A tech-friendly upgrade for any cyclist. Asher Ultra Bright USB Rechargeable Bike Light. Set visibility is everything, day or night. The Asher Ultra Bright light set includes a front and rear light, both USB rechargeable. These pack serious brightness for the price and come with multiple modes, from steady beams to flashing alerts. Compact, waterproof, and long-lasting. Essential for night riders and commuters alike. Worried about theft? The WSD Cam 113 decibels bike alarm is a compact but incredibly loud device that reacts to vibration. Anyone tries to tamper with your ride, and this alarm goes off like a car alarm, instantly drawing attention. Affordable peace of mind, especially if you lock up in public spaces often. This clever Wotao handlebar bag doubles as a cooler and a phone mount. It's insulated to keep drinks or snacks fresh and comes with a clear TPU screen on top for your phone. That means you can navigate, track stats, or change music without removing your device. Practical, versatile, and designed for longer rides or day trips. Comfort matters, especially on longer rides. The HTZP LOO bike gloves feature anti-slip padding that absorbs shocks and reduces hand fatigue. They also improve grip, even in sweaty or rainy conditions. Plus, the breathable fabric keeps your hands cool. Small accessory, big improvement in riding comfort. Breakdowns happen, but being prepared makes all the difference. The Havenhurst 12-in-1 multi-tool gives you hex keys, screwdrivers, and even a chain breaker in a compact package. Toss it in your saddlebag or pocket, and you've got a portable bike repair shop ready whenever you need it. Next, we've got the Bone Bike 14-in-1 portable tool capsule. This one looks like a sleek capsule that tucks right into your bottle cage, but inside is a full 14-in-1 toolkit. It's compact, organized, and easy to carry. No more loose tools jangling around in your bag. Perfect for riders who want everything in one tidy package. The Nog Scout bike alarm takes theft protection to another level. Not only does it sound an 85 decibel alarm if someone tampers with your bike, but it also doubles as a tracker you can pair with Apple's Find My network. Sleek, rechargeable, and discreet. It's like AirTag meets bike alarm, all under $50. Safety isn't optional, and the Rockbros adult helmet gives you modern protection without costing a fortune. It's lightweight, well-ventilated, and designed for both road and mountain riders. With its sleek look and adjustable fit, this helmet proves you don't need to spend big to stay safe on your rides. Uncomfortable seats are the #1 reason people hate long rides. The Velmia Ergonomic saddle changes that. With waterproof material, extra padding, and a pressure relief channel, this seat keeps you comfortable mile after mile. It's a simple swap that makes your bike feel brand new. Your sit bones will thank you. Visibility from behind is just as important as your headlight. The Blitzu USB-C taillights come as a 2-pack, super bright, rechargeable, and with multiple flash modes. They clip onto your seat post, backpack, or helmet, so you're visible from every angle. Compact safety tech that's always worth the investment. The Granite Stash RCX is one of the coolest hidden tools out there. It hides inside your bike's fork steerer tube, completely invisible until you need it. When you do, you've got hex keys and tools right on hand. Clean, clever, and always there when you need a mid-ride adjustment. Why choose between a phone mount and a speaker when you can have both? The Uppo Bluetooth speaker and phone holder is a multifunctional gadget that lets you blast music or take calls while securely holding your device. It's water-resistant, rechargeable, and adds some fun to your ride without sacrificing practicality. Bell too quiet? The Crisfill electric bike horn is a game changer. With loud, clear sound and easy handlebar control buttons, you can alert pedestrians and drivers instantly. It's compact, rechargeable, and much louder than a standard bell, a must-have for busy streets or crowded bike paths. And finally, the Handlebar end mirror. This one stands out because it uses a stainless steel lens, much tougher than plastic, with clear visibility. It installs right into your bar ends, giving you a wide, reliable view behind without adding bulk. Durable, sleek, and one of those small upgrades that make every ride safer. And there you have it, the 20 coolest e-bike and bike accessories on Amazon under $50 for 2025. Whether you're riding for fun, commuting to work, or hitting the trails, these affordable upgrades can make your cycling experience safer, more comfortable, and way more enjoyable. If you found this list helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comments which accessory is your favorite, or if you've got one I should add to the next list. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and keep exploring.